Well, to show you that, I do need to show you an additional piece of code. And I considered teaching this at several points during the course, but I felt like it just fit in the best here. But you can use this in many, many, many different places. And this code is called the try catch. What it does is it tries to run a certain amount of code, and then if it can't, it does something else instead. So, for example, if I console.log, and I said, let's console.log myval.toString. You can see I've never even defined my val. So I'm trying to turn something into a string that doesn't even exist, and then I'm trying to log it. So if I save it and I come over here, I get an error, and it says my value is not defined. So over here, what I could do is I could say, let's use try and catch to handle that error. So I'm saying try to handle the error. If there's an error, here's some code to run instead. And so this is kind of like an if statement for errors. It says, if an error happens, do this instead. So your code will attempt to run line 12, and if it fails, it'll run line 14. So I could say console.log, please call the help desk. So if I save that and I come over here, rather than my code crashing and throwing an error, it didn't crash. And instead it said, please call the help desk. And that is the great part about try and catch. Um, try tries to do the code, and catch catches the code. And as a matter of fact, catch, you can actually put parentheses after it, and it will receive the error that happened. So then you can log out that error. So I could log out a formatted string here, and I could say, the code is experiencing difficulties. Please call the help desk and tell them you are experiencing this error. And then, because it's a formatted string, I can put in the error that I received from this catch statement. So if I save this and I come over here, it says, the code is experiencing difficulties. Please call the help desk and tell them you're experiencing this error. Reference error, my val is not defined. And so it neatly makes sure our code still keeps running. The error is still caught and we can handle it later. And this actually helps when we are handling rejection.